In this video, I'll show you how to sync your cursor across multiple charts in Sierra Chart. So this feature is super handy, especially if you're analyzing multiple charts at the same time and want them all to move together. So to opening multiple charts, first open the charts you want to sync. So to open a new chart, simply go to the file and then new chart. And then after that, pick your symbol by clicking the find symbol, and then in here choose a symbol you want to open, so click OK. After that, so assumingly this, and click this open intraday chart and then close it. And as you can see, we don't have yet a visual of charts in here, so assumingly we have. So now we're going to sync those charts. So go to the chart section and select the chart setting in here. So in this settings, you'll find here an options called syncing of chart. So in the chart setting windows, make sure the syncing chart or syncing of chart option is checked, because this will enable your charts to move together whenever you move the cursor on one chart. And after that, to customize sync settings, you can fine tune how you want the charts to sync. For example, you can select whether the crosshair or price cursor syncs, or if you want to synchronize chart scaling too. Adjust the settings based on your personal preferences, and then once you're happy on that, click OK to apply the changes. So if you're working with different time frames, syncing your cursor can help you see how price action moves across various charts. So you can also adjust the scaling on each chart to match the orders, ensuring everything is in sync. And that's it. So you've now successfully synced your cursor across multiple charts in Sierra Charts. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.